made for my awesome autistic son, Mekhi. The strength and resilience and the love he brings to those around him is truly inspiring. For those of you who are caregivers of a neurodivergent child, my wish is that you will find encouragement and strength to accomplish what can be the challenging world of potty training in this detailed video. I love you all.
First, I get my step stool so that I can reach the potty. Time to use the potty. Read a book or sing your favorite song while you sit. Grab toilet paper, not too much, and wipe. Pull up your pants like a big kid now. You've done so well. Take a bow. Time to flash. Press the lever, watch it swirl. Round it goes in a twirl. Washing your hands is the best way to keep those yucky germs away. Turn off the tap with a gentle twist. Saving water, you get the gist. Dry your hands with a gentle pat. Goodbye, water. That's that. All done with our potty rhymes. Turn off the light. It's time to shine.